Well, I'm back to show you another device we just installed on the farm. We're going to cover some very basic installation and operation tips. However, we're mainly going to focus on how it works so far and show you the quality of the photos and videos. After all, isn't our main concern, should I really buy this thing? We purchased this XTU 4G LTE trail camera from Amazon. It's a fairly low price for a LTE trail camera, so I wondered about the quality. As always, I read through the reviews and decided to give it a try. Well, here we are, outside in the woods. I put this camera on a tree facing one of our nature trails. Let me show you how it installed. It comes with the plastic mounting bracket. You simply put a few screws in it to attach the bracket to the tree, then the camera snaps into the bracket. To remove the camera, you push on this tab and it pops right out. See this black cable? This comes from the solar panel. I'll show you in a moment. It is supposed to keep the battery charged. We'll have to see about that. This is the mounting bracket for the solar panel. You simply install 3 screws to mount it to the tree. Then, you spin the solar panel on this mounting bolt. This black wheel is used to tighten the panel to the bolt. Now, you can point it toward an area it will get the most sunlight, then spin this wheel to the right to tighten it, so it stays in position. At the bottom of the camera, you'll find this black seal. This can be easily popped out to access the power button, reset button, and USB card slot. Pressing and holding the power button for several seconds turns the unit on. The same is true to power the unit off. This is a well-placed area, as it will help keep moisture out. This is the solar panel. I have it tilted toward the southwest, which in this case gives it the best sunlight for the longest amount of time. We'll do an update video later and let you know if this kept the battery charged. We'll do another one this winter when it is 20 below outside. I wonder, will this unit hold up? We're ready to turn it on. Remember, I just wanted to touch on installation and setup. There is an app that needs to be installed on your phone and paired to the device. If you would like to see a video like that, make sure to let me know. For now, let's show the cell phone interface and accessing the camera. Well, here we are, in my phone. Let's get connected and check out the quality of live feed video. Hey, not too shabby. This is live feed from the camera to my cell phone using LTE signals. By the way, be aware, for live feed to work like this, and to get video and photos directly from the camera to your phone, you do have to buy a monthly subscription. It was $16 a month to get what I needed. You can see I can move the camera from the app on my phone. I want to get it pointed toward the southwest trail. This camera allows me to pan and tilt in every direction. I needed to remove any branches from the viewing area. This will help keep the camera from taking useless photos and video of the wind. We can see it triggered my movement, and the live feed video appears to be impressive for a budget nature cam. I wonder, however, how will it do when that 10-point buck runs in front of it? Well, far from a 10-point buck, however, this little guy was picked up about 4 hours after I left. Still fairly impressed with the video quality for a $90 camera. About 4 o'clock that same afternoon, I got a ping. Went right in to check the photo. Well, this one was a little disappointing. Maybe the video will be better. Or maybe not. Picked up the mama and her fawns, however, not a real great video. Now, a couple of important facts. I had the camera set to take HD video, and we don't get especially great LTE speeds in our area. So I now have it set to take standard definition videos. Also, these are photos and videos taken from the cloud. It's possible that when I take them from the SD card, the quality will be better. It's also possible it just wasn't getting a good LTE signal at the time it took the snapshot of those deer. Either way, my current opinion of the camera, for the price, I'm not going to complain yet. Stay tuned as I make further adjustments and get more shots. I'll post some follow-up videos. If you would like more detailed information about how to use the software, let me know. We'll put that together. Well, in the meantime, God bless folks, and we'll see you next time.